The second point is that you need to believe that you are worthy of all that you are receiving and that you know that you deserve it. So whether you're going to get a great project, whether it's appraisal time, whether there's a new promotion, you need to feel that you're worthy of it and you deserve it. So I'll give an example, like when in my earlier job as an architect, whenever there was time to ask for more money, there was an appraisal time, there was this little inhibiting voice telling me that, Uma, you don't deserve it. You're not worthy of it. You're not good enough for that extra what you're getting. And so it was like you self-sabotage yourself and block your own receivables. And then an extension of the same thought process is stop comparing yourself with people. Because there will always be someone better than you who will be receiving much more than you. So when you continuously compare, all that you're going to lead is to disappointment and dissatisfaction. Some of you might think that you might be using, comparing yourself with others as a way to grow better. But that is a never-ending story. Because even if you earn and do better than the person you've been comparing yourself with, there is no guarantee that in some time or somewhere in the future, you might not find someone in the similar setup doing better than you.